Guys, in this video I will show you how to clear your history on your browser, any browser that you are using, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Brave, anything. So you want to clear history, you want just to delete your graphics and so on. All what you need to do on your browser, just go for three dots, and then you will search for history, and then you will go for history, this one. All what you need to do, guys, here, which is deleting browsing data. Like, there is two mentioned things. Either you are choosing like this and delete. I will just press delete here, delete, it is deleted from the history. Or you will just go for delete browsing data and then go for settings. All what you need to do, which is I want to browsing history or just to cookies, other diets and so on, but in my point is like browsing history, and you choose which is the timeline that you want to do, which is all time, last month, last week, last day, last hour, and last 15 minutes, and then you will just press delete data. So that's how to delete history in most efficient way, easier and so on. I hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace.